The ending of How to Train Your Dragon 3 didn't come out of nowhere. Some of its most emotional moments were secretly set up in the very first movie. The first clue is a simple apology.
I'm sorry for everything.
After finally accepting Toothless, years later, Hiccup says those exact words to Toothless.
I'm sorry, bud, for everything.
But this time, it's not about acceptance, it's about letting go. The second callback happens in the ocean. In the first movie, Stoic saves Hiccup and Toothless from the sea, beginning a new era between humans and dragons. In the final movie, a dragon saves Hiccup instead, completing that circle. And the most heartbreaking callback, the hand touch. The first time Hiccup reaches out, he's building a friendship. The last time he reaches out, he's saying goodbye to it. The gesture never changed, but the meaning did. Which moment hit you harder? Let me know in the comments.